The Aspire Breeze 2 in 60 seconds. Aspire is back with round 2 of their Breeze mods. This little puff of magic is a marked improvement from the original to become your go-to stealth device. The super sleek Breeze 2 comes with a refillable and replaceable pod with drip tip, adjustable airflow cap, which is a nice touch that I love, a 1 ohm coil for nic salts, and a 0.6 coil for regular e-liquids. The pod has a 3 ml capacity, which is a slight improvement of the 2 ml original. To replace the coils in the pod, you remove the airflow cap from the top, and to refill it, you remove the plug from the bottom and drip into the pod. Both are simple and intuitive. Replacing pods is simple too. Just press the side buttons, remove it, then put the new one in until it clicks into place. Now, while I admit this little guy is perfect for nic salts, using it with normal e-liquids leaves something to be desired. The flavor is a bit muted unless you give it a heavy draw, which I wasn't expecting. The battery life will get you through the day though, rocking at 1000 milliamps and even has pass-through charging, a feature I always dig. All in all, with 7 colors to choose from, this tidy but powerful Breeze 2 will definitely give you what you need to get your secret puff on.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Check out our other videos here, and don't forget to subscribe.